Our pets are not just animals. They are family. They are our furry, feathery, scaly confidants. They get their own stockings at Christmas. They have more photos on our phones than our human relatives. The numbers prove it. People are spending more than ever on their companion animals, seeking the best food, the most engaging toys, and the coziest beds. This deep emotional connection creates a huge opportunity for businesses like yours. You are not just selling products. You are enhancing a cherished bond. You are part of a love story between people and their pets. This is a wonderful place to be, but it is also getting more crowded. How do you stand out? How do you make your mark when every other entrepreneur with a golden retriever has a new idea for a chew toy? The answer might surprise you. It's not about working harder or spending more on traditional advertising. The answer is artificial intelligence, or AI. I know, AI sounds like something from a science fiction movie. It sounds complex and maybe a little intimidating. But let's demystify it. Think of AI as your new, incredibly smart and tireless business partner. What will be the next big thing in the pet world? Is it sustainable cricket protein dog treats? Or perhaps it's a smart collar that translates your cat's meows into English. Guessing what pet parents want is a risky and expensive game. One wrong move, and you could be sitting on a warehouse full of neon green doggy raincoats that nobody wants to buy. This is where your new AI business partner truly shines. AI is like a superpowered trend spotter. It can scan the entire internet. Social media, pet forums, product reviews, blogs, in the blink of an eye. It doesn't just see what's popular now, it sees what's starting to bubble up. Imagine you want to develop a new line of cat toys. You could start by feeding an AI tool a simple prompt. Analyze recent trends in cat enrichment and toy preferences based on online discussions. The AI would then sift through thousands of conversations. It might notice a growing chatter about foraging toys for indoor cats. It could highlight that owners are worried about their feline friends being bored. It might even pick up on specific materials like cork recycled wool. This isn't just data, it's a treasure map leading you directly to a market need. This process saves you an incredible amount of time and guesswork. Before AI, this kind of research would have required weeks of manual searching or hiring an expensive market research firm. You have a brilliant idea, thanks to your AI-powered trend scouting. You know you want to create that durable, eco-friendly foraging toy for bored indoor cats. Now what? This is another place where AI can be your trusty guide. It helps you visualize, refine, and describe your product with speed and creativity. Move from concept to creation. AI can help build the prototype. AI can also write the story that makes it fly off the shelves. Let's start with design. You don't need to be a master artist or CAD expert. Use AI image generation tools to bring your vision to life. Example prompt. Generate a product concept for an elegant, modern cat foraging toy. Details. Sustainable birchwood, recycled felt, minimalist Scandinavian mouse shape. Seconds later, dozens of visual interpretations. Rapid prototyping, refine the images. Make it 20% larger. Add more holes of varying sizes. Show it in a cozy living room with a Siamese cat playing with it. See what works visually before spending on a physical model. Once you have a design you love, tell its story. A product is an object. A story creates the connection. Staring at a blank page? Ask an AI writing assistant for help. Prompt example, write 3 catchy product descriptions for the forager mouse. Eco-friendly, fights boredom, taps hunting instincts, warm, playful tone. The AI will instantly generate options for you to edit. In the pet business, your customers have high expectations. They are not just buying a product. They are entrusting you with the well-being of a beloved family member. This means customer service has to be more than just good. It has to be exceptional. It needs to be fast. It needs to be empathetic. It needs to be helpful. Juggling all those customer inquiries can be overwhelming for a small business owner. From questions about shipping, to pleas for advice on the right size dog bed. This is where AI can step in, not as a cold robot, but as a helpful assistant that ensures every customer feels heard and valued. Let's talk about the AI chatbot. The idea of a bot answering questions might sound impersonal, but think of it as a super efficient front desk for your website. It can be programmed to handle the most common questions 24/7. What are your shipping rates? Do you have a return policy? Is the kitty copter toy safe for kittens? The chatbot can provide instant answers to these queries, freeing you and your team to handle the more complex and emotional customer issues. Customers get help immediately. Even at 2 a.m., your human team has more bandwidth for meaningful conversations. Beyond answering simple questions, AI can help you create a truly personalized shopping experience for every visitor. By analyzing a customer's browsing history, what do your customers really think about your products? What do they love? And, what frustrates them? In the past, finding these answers meant manually reading through every single product review, email, social media comment. It was a monumental task, and honestly, it was easy to miss the bigger picture while getting lost in the details. Today, AI gives you a pair of super-powered ears, allowing you to listen to the voice of your customer at scale. It can analyze vast amounts of text-based feedback and distill it into clear, actionable insights that can, well, revolutionize your business. So, imagine you've launched a new waterproof dog coat. The sales are okay, but you want to know how to make it even better. You can use an AI sentiment analysis tool to process all the reviews from your website, from Amazon, and from social media mentions. The tool can quickly categorize the feedback. 85% of comments are positive, 10% are neutral, 5% are negative. But it doesn't stop there. It digs deeper into the why. It can identify the most frequently mentioned positive keywords. Love the color. The real gold is often found in the negative feedback. This is not just feedback, it's a specific data-backed to-do list for your product development team. Content is really the fuel for your marketing engine. Blog posts, social media updates, video scripts, emails that attract new customers and keep existing ones engaged. But, creating a steady stream of high-quality, relevant content is a huge challenge, especially when you're also managing inventory, shipping, a dozen other tasks. Staring at a blank content calendar can be pretty intimidating. This is where AI can transform from a business analyst into your very own creative director and content production team, helping you generate ideas and drafts with astonishing speed. Let's start with your blog. A blog is a fantastic way to build authority and attract customers through search engines. But what should you write about? Ask an AI tool for ideas. You could prompt it with, generate 20 blog post ideas for a business that sells premium dog food. The topics should be helpful for new puppy owners. A week-by-week guide to your puppy's first month, decoding your puppy's body language. 5 common household dangers for a curious puppy. It provides the seeds of ideas, which you can then grow into unique, helpful articles using your own expertise and voice. Now let's tackle social media. Coming up with daily posts for Instagram? Use AI to do the heavy lifting. Creating wonderful content is only half the battle. If no one can find it, it's like a dog barking in an empty forest. Your content needs to be discoverable by search engines like Google, and it needs to be visually appealing to capture attention in a crowded social media feed. Search engine optimization, compelling visuals, but they can also feel technical and time-consuming. Fortunately, AI offers a suite of magical tools that can demystify SEO and help you create stunning, unique images, making your brand more visible and memorable than ever before. SEO starts with keywords, the terms people type into Google when they're looking for products or information. AI tools can take the guesswork out of this process. Instead of just guessing that people search for dog food, an AI tool can reveal more specific, less competitive phrases that customers are actually using. It might uncover terms like best food for senior dogs with sensitive stomachs, limited ingredient cat food for allergies. By weaving these precise phrases into your product descriptions, blog posts, page titles, you tell Google exactly what you're about, making it much more likely that the right customers will find you. Running a pet business involves a lot more than just playing with puppies and kittens. There's a mountain of administrative work behind the scenes. Managing inventory, scheduling appointments, tracking finances. Analyzing sales data can consume the majority of your time, leaving little room for strategy and growth. This is the back office of your business, ripe for an AI-powered upgrade. By automating and optimizing operational tasks, AI makes your business run more smoothly, efficiently, and profitably. Inventory management is a classic challenge. Ordering too much ties up cash and storage space. Ordering too little leads to stockouts and disappointed customers. AI-powered inventory systems can solve this dilemma. By analyzing your past sales data seasonality, like the holiday rush for pet stockings, and even external factors like upcoming trends, these systems predict future demand with remarkable accuracy. They can alert you to reorder a specific flavor of cat food, or tell you how many small-sized dog harnesses you'll likely sell next month. If your business involves services, grooming AI-driven scheduling tools can completely automate this process. Customers can see real-time availability and book online. We've explored how AI can revolutionize your product development, supercharge your marketing, streamline your operations. The possibilities are truly exciting. As we look to the future, AI's role in the pet industry is only going to grow. We'll see innovations like smart feeders that dispense customized portions based on a pet's activity level, wearable sensors that monitor a pet's vital signs and alert owners to potential health issues long before symptoms appear. Staying ahead means keeping an eye on these innovations and being ready to adapt. However, with great power comes great responsibility. As we embrace these powerful tools, we must also consider the ethical implications. Customer data, for example, is precious. When customers share information about their pets, they are placing a great deal of trust in you. It's crucial to be transparent about how you're using AI and to always prioritize data privacy and security. The goal is to use data to serve the customer better, not to exploit their trust. Authenticity and transparency will build a much stronger brand in the long run. And this brings us to the most important point of all: never lose the human touch. AI is a fantastic tool, but it is not a replacement for your passion, your expertise, and your genuine love for animals. Customers connect with people, not algorithms. Use AI to answer the simple questions.